Friends, today we'll see a new topic in accounts, that is issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Issue of shares for consideration other than cash. So consideration other than cash means company will issue shares but will not get cash. The company will not be receiving cash, but in place of cash it will be receiving consideration which will be other than cash. Now, for example, machinery. X Limited will be getting a machinery here from Y Limited. So X Limited has purchased a machinery of value rupees 12 lakh, and in lieu of that X Limited has issued equity shares of rupees 10 each to Y Limited. So by obtaining machinery of 12 lakh, the payment is not made in cash, it is made through equity shares of rupees 10 each. Now here the purchaser is X Limited, because the X Limited has purchased machinery from Y Limited and it has issued shares in place of providing cash. Now in the books of X Limited we will make entries in the books of buyer only. So in the books of X Limited, when we make entry, the first entry will come as machinery account debit to Y Limited, being machinery purchased. The value of the machinery is 12 lakh. Machinery is receipt, so it is debit, and Y Limited is the creditor, so it is credit. Next, you need to pay 12 lakh in equity shares of rupees 10 each, as given in the question. Equity shares of rupees 10 each. So for paying 12 lakh you need to provide 1,20,000 shares. If you divide 12 lakh by 10, you are getting 1,20,000 shares. So 1,20,000 shares must be issued by X Limited. So second entry will be Y Limited account debit 1,20,000 into 10 to equity share capital 12 lakh. So this 1,20,000 shares have been issued by X Limited to Y Limited, being equity shares issued. So these are the two entries that you need to make in the books of X Limited. First one is machinery to Y Limited, and the second one is Y Limited to equity share capital. Now if the shares are issued at a premium, in the above case we have seen 10 rupees shares are issued at rupees 10 only, but the same amount of shares, the same shares of rupees 10 each, may be issued at a premium also. So when the same shares are issued at a premium of rupees 2, let us see what will happen in that case. The first entry remains same, machinery account debit to Y Limited 12 lakh, it remains same. There is no change in the first entry. The change will be in the second entry. 12 lakh is the value of the machinery, but now the value of share is rupees 12 because there is a premium of rupees 2. So face value of share was rupees 10, along with premium it becomes rupees 12 because premium is added with the face value. So when you add with the premium with the face value, it becomes rupees 12. So 10 rupees shares will be issued at now rupees at 12. So 12 lakh, when you divide it by 12, you get 1 lakh. So we need to issue 1 lakh shares. So the number of shares issued now will be 1 lakh. So Y Limited account debit 12 lakh to equity share capital to security premium. This will be the new entry. The previous entry was machinery account debit to Y Limited, and the second entry will be Y Limited account debit to equity share capital to security premium. When in the case of PAR, it was only Y Limited account debit to equity share capital, there was no security premium in the second entry, but here in the second entry you will get to security premium. Always remember, the value of Y Limited will never change. Whether it is a question of PAR, premium, discount, whatever, Y Limited account debit, that will remain 12 lakh. Number of shares we got is 1 lakh. So in equity share capital 1 lakh into the face value only 10. In equity share capital we will put 1 lakh into 10, that is 10 lakh. In security premium we will write 1 lakh into 2, that is 2 lakh, because premium is of rupees 2 and number of shares what we got here is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 2 in security premium 2 lakh. So the entry becomes Y Limited debit 12 lakh, equity share capital 10 lakh, and security premium 2 lakh. Also we will see the case of discount. When shares are issued at a discount of rupees 2, when you will issue the shares at a discount of rupees 2, in that case also the first entry will remain same, machinery account debit to Y Limited account 12 lakh, it will remain same, there will be no change in the first entry. In the second entry, since there is a discount, so the effective value of share becomes now rupees 8. The face value of share is rupees 10, discount is subtracted, so when you subtract the discounts it becomes rupees 8. Now the effective value of share becomes rupees 8. So 12 lakh when divided by 8 provides you 1,50,000. So you need to issue 1,50,000 shares now. Now 1,50,000 shares we need to issue. The entry comes this manner: Y Limited account debit 12 lakh, discount on issue debit to equity share capital. In Y Limited, as I have already told, the value Y Limited will never change. It will remain 12 lakh, whether it is a case of par, premium, discount, whatever. In Y Limited, you will have 12 lakh. Discount on issue will be 1,50,000 shares into 2, as we have got 1,50,000 shares. So 1,50,000 into 2 will be the discount, that is 3 lakh. And in equity share capital, we will have 1,50,000 into 10. So 1,50,000 into 10 gives us rupees 15 lakh. In equity share capital, we got 15 lakh. And in this way, the entry is balanced. Y Limited account debit. Discount on issue, it will be debit, as the company is facing a loss by issuing shares at a discount. In case of premium, it was security premium credit side to security premium, but here we have discount on issue on the debit. To equity share capital, 1,50,000 into 10, that is 15 lakh. I hope there will be no problem regarding this. Still, if anyone is having any query regarding this question or the solution, you can contact me personally. After watching this video, you will be getting few questions to solve, that you will solve and send me the solution personally. Till then, thank you very much and bye bye.